Hi folks, this is Dan. I'm here to talk to you about the updates I've made to the Foenix IDE in the past few months. To start the application, I've created a shortcut on my Windows taskbar here. And so to start the program, I click it, right? So when we start the application, we see three windows. The first window is the main window, which displays the graphics processor. This window controls other aspects of the application, such as tools and file loading and more. The second window is the debug window, and it's also called the CPU window. This is where you interact with the CPU. You can, enable, disable interrupts. You can step through the code. You can just run it. You can jump to different addresses. You can set breakpoints. On the right of this window, you can see the stack, and that's about it. All right. The third window is the Emulator memory window. This one allows you to browse the window, so you can click on the little arrows, or you can use the drop down to jump quickly to some addresses, right? And so it allows you to browse, but it also allows you to change values. So you can type in here, and the value is set in the memory. The other part of this window that you need to pay attention to is the master control register, which is the Wiki GPU or graphics processor unit. It's allowing us to change to text mode, overlay, graphics, bitmaps, tiles, sprites, gamma, and disable video. Okay. So when we first launched the IDE, typically we would want to just run the kernel. So the kernel is loaded automatically. It's loaded in the ROMs folder of your downloaded application. All right. So to run, click the Run button or press F5. So this program is working because now you can see in the main window, you can see the awesome FMX logo. Okay. So as you start exploring the IDE, and maybe you haven't written your own code yet, you'll just want to see what this does, right? So right now I'm going to disable the break on interrupts feature, and I'm just going to do a quick basic example. All right. And the other thing you'll notice is that the application is quite dark right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enable gamma. Right? So I'm going to use the dip switch, and now you can see it's a little bit easier to read. Okay, and the gamma is also connected directly to the master control register of the memory window. Okay. All right. So the program I'm going to use is a very simple program that just displays a list of hellos. So print hello I30 next. Okay, so this is the program. If you want to see, like, once you go too far and the program disappears, right, you might want to recall the program, so you can do list. Okay, and you can also run it. So you can run the program, and it's looking exactly like what I wanted. And this way we can actually do more complex basic programs, but this is all I'm going to do right now. If you want to start a new program, you type the new command, and now when you type list, you can see it's empty. Okay, so this is all I'm going to show you at this point. I'm going to try to do more frequent little videos. The next one is going to be on displaying bitmaps and tiles and sprites. Yeah, so, right, see you then.